Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's class is for the 12th, and the topic that we are going to discuss is the importance of biodiversity. Dear students, the biodiversity found on the earth today is the result of approximately 3.5 billion years of evolution. Until the emergence of humans, the earth supported more biodiversity than any other period in the geographical history. However, since the dominance of humans, biodiversity has begun a rapid decline, with one species after another suffering extinction. The maintenance of biodiversity is important for the following reasons. Number one reason is the ecological stability. Each species perform a particular function within an ecosystem. They can capture and store energy, produce organic materials, decompose organic material, help to recycle water and nutrients throughout the ecosystem, control erosion or pests, fix atmospheric gases, or help regulating climate. Ecosystem provides support of protection and services without which humans could not survive. They include the soil, fertility, pollination of plants, predators, decomposition of wastes, purification of the air and water, stabilization and moderation of the climate, decrease of flooding, droughts, and other environmental disasters. Research showed that the more diverse an ecosystem, the better is it with better it can withstand environmental stress, and the more productive it is. The loss of species thus decreases the ability of the system to maintain itself or to recover in any case of damage. There are very complex mechanisms underlying these ecological effects. Number second is the economic benefits to humans. For all humans, biodiversity is the first resource for their daily life. Such crop diversity is also called the agrobiodiversity. Most people see biodiversity as a reservoir of resources to be drawn upon for the maintenance of the food, pharmaceutical, and cosmetic products. Thus, the resource shortages may be related to the erosion of the biodiversity. Some of the important economic commodities that the biodiversity supplies to humankind are: number one is the food, crops, livestock, forestry, and fish. Medication, wild plant species have been used for medicinal purposes since before the beginning of record history. For example, quinine, used to treat malaria, comes from the bark of the Amazonian tree, Cinchona tree, digitalis from the foxglove plant, chronic heart trouble, and morphine from the poppy plant, that's the pan leaf. According to the National Cancer Institute of USA, over 70% of the promising anti-cancer drugs come from the plants in the tropical rainforests. Animals may also play a role, in particular in research. It is estimated that about 250,000 known plant species, only 5,000 have been researched for the possible medical application. Number third is the industries. Fiber for clothing, wood for shelter and warmth. Biodiversity may be a resource of energy, such as biomass. Other industrial products are the oils, lubricants, perfumes, fragrances, dyes, paper, waxes, rubber, latexes, resins, poisons, and cork can all be derived from the various plant species. Supplies from the animals' origin are wool, silk, fur, leather, lubricants, waxes. Animals may also be used as a mode of transportation. Tourism and recreation. Biodiversity is a source of economical wealth for the many areas, such as the many parks and the forests, While wild nature and animals are a resource of beauty and joy for many people, ecotourism, in particular, is growing outdoor recreational activities. Number third is the ethical reasons. The role of biodiversity is to be a mirror of our relationships with the other living species, an ethical view with rights, duties, and education. If humans consider species have a right to exist, they cannot cause voluntarily their extinction. Besides, biodiversity is also part of many cultures and spiritual heritage. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching me.